I also want to show you all how I keep my phone charged. In my iPad, I have an iPad and I have a laptop and I have a cell phone. So I keep this right here. I believe I got this from Amazon. You know, when people live in a car, they have to have the electrical thing to keep the, but I'm just using this. I'm not really using too much, you know, extra electric, but you know, it has two. You can, you see, you know, that's really come in handy, and you put it in your lighter. So I think this is a good alternative to, you know, buying a big old jackery or whatever they call it. So yeah, they come in really handy. Grand Rising, everybody. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I want to show you all a quick car tour since I'm in my car officially. Yeah, baby, I had to organize it last night and I feel so much better since I did that, to make stuff easier for me to find. That has gave me such a peace of mind, because you know, when stuff is cluttered up, you can't think straight and things seem so out of, you know, out of order. But I just got out of the shower at Planet Fitness. It's almost 6 o'clock in the morning. That is the beautiful thing about staying in your car. That's the beautiful thing about me staying in my car. I found the perfect parking spot. I have really access to free Wi-Fi. It kept going out, but so I went to sleep a little early. I was a little tired. I really needed my rest. I really needed that. So now I'm up at, I just got out the shower. I'm not going to work out right now. I just went in there, did a shower. It's not too crowded in there, so it's perfect for me. I want to show you all a quick car tour, and then I'm going to go to the gas station, and then I might work out later on. But let me show you all my car. Okay, so here's basically all the stuff that I need. So far so good. Got my new Reeboks down there, got my gym bag, I have all of my essentials in there, my vitamins, my toothpaste. I need to go to Dollar Tree and pick up some I need to go to Dollar Tree and pick up, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and pick up some toothpaste. I got my, you know, my this deodorant in here. This is the good kind. I'm gonna start using this kind all the time. This is good. It's a spray on. I really never had a spray, but since I just had breast reduction, this has come in really handy. Then I'm taking these senolytic activators, life extension. Then I got just showing you all a few things that these are things I have to take every day. Then I take this collagen. That's really good for your skin, health by habit. These are my two must-have. These are two must-have. Get this in your arsenal. Get that. Okay, so enough about that. So I put up my window covering, my shade, and I got my pillow up there because I'll tell you about it in a few minutes. But I'm glad I got this space cleared out, because at first I had a bag down there, so I don't want it to be crowded and full of cluttered up. I don't want it cluttered. So I did good. I got everything I need. I have everything I could possibly need in here. So look, you see that the covering you cannot see in there, so I did really good with that. So I really don't think I need to get my windows tinted. I'm not even going to get my windows tinted, because that's going to be extra money, extra unnecessary money that I don't have, and I already have. So this is the driver's side. I got my little house shoes right there. I was watching see, and I have this right here, so you know, convenient. Okay, so this right here I'm gonna take this down because I'm about to go to the store. See, I cut this because I didn't know that it already came with an opening right here, but I had to cut it on this on the other side because it was too long, so I had to cut it so it could fit. Yep, but I see that worked perfectly. That worked really good. Now I have these right here, and this helps to, you know, deflect and detract, you know, people from looking over here. And I decided to hang my scarves. I have so many different head wraps. I have so many colors of head wraps. So I got my pants down here. I decided to put my pants in here, like my leggings. I got my leggings right there. And so I took down my seats. So my seats let down. So I'm sleeping long ways, and that's better for me. So if you're going to sleep in your car, I suggest you, if you can let down your seats, I suggest you do that, because you're going to have more leg room. And yes, so opposed to sleeping door to door, side to side. And I have 2 white pillows in here, in that pillowcase. It's 2 white pillows, 2 white decorative pillows that I put up there to block out the light last night, and that really helped really good. That's my pillow that I sleep on. That's my little bunny rabbit. I got my laptop over there, and I have my t-shirts over there in that drawer. These drawers actually came from my drawer set at home, so they came in really handy, so I don't have to, I have it so conveniently, you know, in there organized. And I got more scarves over there. Got tons and tons of scarves. So let me show you the trunk. Let me show you the trunk. Show you what's going on. Okay, so here in the trunk I have my dry towel because I just took a shower. Then I have my laundry bag right here. I put all my dirty clothes in here. So I just washed a few days ago at the laundromat. And the laundromat actually stays open till 1 a.m. in the morning. So here's I could sleep. This is, you can see how much space I have to sleep. That's really good. I have my underclothes in this bag, my clean underclothes in here, panties, socks, you know, that kind of stuff. And I slept in my pajama pants today. These are really comfortable. I'm going to be wearing these because instead of sleeping in my clothes, see, I got organized. I'm going to wear these to feel comfortable so I won't feel like I'm in a car. So I put these on at night, and then I put a little t-shirt on. Then I got this bag over here. I was going to get a bag to put my soap in, but I got this bag right here. I got my Dove soap and my sponge, and I got this is my miscellaneous bag over here with all my stuff in there. Then I got my sports bra. I plan on going back to Marshall's to pick up some more sports bras today. Then I just have another container right here, another container back there. Then I actually have a cooler right here, but I'm not using that right now. But so this is all the stuff I need. I really am a minimalist, and I'm low-key a perfectionist, but I'm a perfectionist by accident because I think two scarves right there, my winter scarves right there. I'm not going to be wearing that, but I am low-key a perfectionist, and that's really good because I'm a minimalist. So I think that when you're a minimalist, it kind of makes you a perfectionist because you eliminate all the stuff that you really don't need. I have everything I need right here with me in this vehicle. Everything else I need to put in the storage. Yep, so this is my car tour. This is where I'm staying, and I really slept well last night. And so this is my car tour. This is where I slept last night, and I had a great rest. That I'm up so early before the sun rises. So yeah, the sun hasn't even came up yet, as you can see. Well, I'm not gonna show you where I'm at, but yes, anyway, have a blessed day and happy Mother's Day to you all. Be blessed. I'm on my way to the gas station right now, so I can take my vitamin